welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. Alright, so if you're not familiar with this is part 2 of a room makeover series that I've been doing on my channel. So if you haven't checked out part 1, feel free to do that now. We've created some DIY decor for my daughter's room. If you're interested in seeing more content like this, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, guys, because I'm actually going to be posting every single week. And my content will be focused on DIY decor, some furniture builds, some thrift flips, and of course, room makeovers. Alright guys, so let's get into it. Alright, so I quickly wanted to show you the before, so let's pan to it. It's pink and it's a hot mess, guys. I did not put a lot of effort into this when we first moved in, and I'm glad I'm finally changing that. You know, it's only been, what, 2 years? Alright, so I wanted to show you a side-by-side comparison of the pink versus the teal. So obviously you can see the pink on this side. It's very dull in comparison to the teal. Now the teal is bright and it is in your face, but I love it. And I think it fits Kylie's personality. And I think it will all come together with everything that I've bought for her room and everything that we're going to upcycle. So I'm really excited to see how it all turns out. Hi guys! So I am tired and exhausted. If you cannot tell, my dark circles are really fierce today. But the room is done. Wow, the room is painted. The room is painted. And I didn't do any of it. No, my husband came in and did it. Yes. With a newborn, it's really hard to get stuff done. And my husband kind of decided to do that for me. So thanks, hubby. But I think I'm going to end it for today, come in tomorrow and start setting up her furniture piece that I got, which is where she's going to be keeping all her toys. So let's jump to that. Alright guys, so it's been raining for the past week and finally I have a nice gorgeous day, so I'm going to take advantage of it. I'm actually going to spray paint a few things out here right now, specifically her mirror and then a DIY that I actually did in my previous video. So if you're interested in seeing that and you haven't seen part 1, please go ahead and check that out. I'm really proud of actually how this is going to turn out. So for all of these let's get into it. I'll be using Rust-Oleum Craft and Hobby Imagine Metallic Gold. Now I'm up spray paint to get the type of gold that I wanted. And this is the one that actually gave me the best image in terms of the kind of gold that I was looking for. By the way, this video is not sponsored, but I did want to let you know what I'll be using in case you wanted to create the same look. We're back on, for you it's probably like day 3. For me it's probably like week 4. It's been taking a lot longer than I thought it would. But Kylie's gonna be coming home in a few hours and I wanna make sure that everything's done before she's here. I've been telling her every time that she comes back, it's gonna be looking so much different when you come, and it doesn't. So yeah, my bad. This time though, I promise her it's gonna look different when she comes back. So right now I'm going to be starting cleaning up the room. So I'll show you that in a second, panning around. It's coming along. Most of the furniture is done. I still have to set up her chair. But other than that, I think, you know, I could start setting everything up and then bringing in the decor pieces that I have, and then just start, you know, kind of putting it together. So I'm really excited to have that done. Just drop shells. Seashells. Anyone else like play with toys when their child isn't here? Alright guys, cleaning is done. So now we're gonna get to the final touches. I'm super excited about this. I've got pretty much everything on the bed. There are a few things out in the living room right now that I need to put in this room, but this is gonna be so amazing. This is my favorite part. That's it for the content today, but thank you so much for watching it. I truly enjoyed making this room. So if you like this content, please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you liked about the video. Tell me your favorite part, or if you're interested in seeing something else, let me know in the comments. Until then, see you later, guys. Bye. All right.